Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video, I am making Irish soda bread. We start with 4 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix in a half cup of butter. I'm going to use the potato masher this time. Okay, the butter's all mixed in. Now we're going to mix in 1 egg and 1 cup of buttermilk. Buttermilk is going to add a lot of flavor to our bread. It's called Irish soda bread because you use soda in it instead of yeast for the rising agent. Okay, we've got everything mixed in. Now we're just going to knead this up a little bit until it's smooth. Then we'll make a nice round out of it. The stove is lit. We're just gonna melt this butter down. We will mix a 1/4 cup of butter with a 1/4 cup of buttermilk for a coating over the top of the bread. Okay, there's our 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and here is our 1/4 cup of butter. Mix that up. We will brush it on our bread, and then when we do our 10-minute rotation, we'll also brush it on every 10 minutes. I'm over at the hot coals. I'm going to go ahead and cook it at 400. So we have 12 inches in diameter, and it's going to be -3 + 3, so it'll be 12 on the bottom. So with this oven, we double what we put on the bottom, and I'm going to put 24 on top. Okay, we're going to let this go for 10 minutes, and then we will come back and we will check on it. Let you know what it looks like right now before it starts baking. There we go. And check on that in 10 minutes and baste it again. 10 minutes has passed, and we are going to rotate the Dutch oven, and we're going to baste it with the butter and buttermilk mixture. We rotate it so that it doesn't focus too much heat in one spot. There we go. Come on, 4-in-1. Some more butter and buttermilk on the top there. We're at 30 minutes. 20-minute mark. I didn't really do anything. I just rotated it. I didn't baste it or anything. But now we're at 30, so I'm going to go ahead and put some more of the buttermilk and butter on it. Give it a spin. It smells very buttery. Feels very firm but fluffy. Nice. Okay. So there's that, and I'll rotate it on to 40 minutes. Doesn't look like it's ready to check yet. It's still pretty pale. A little spin that way, and a little spin that way. Okay, so after the bread cooked for 40 minutes, I decided to start some new coals because it wasn't getting where I needed to get. So it's been under these new coals for 5 minutes, and I dumped all of the butter and buttermilk mixture on it. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna let it go another couple minutes, and then we'll take it off and cut it up. So I let time get away from me. Instead of a couple minutes, it's been probably 6 minutes. No, but it still looks good. I think that is probably a level of doneness that I can deal with. Outside looks kind of not so done, but I bet inside it is perfect. Bread is still very, very hot. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, that's nice. It smells so buttery. Still very steaming hot. But it is so buttery. This is going to go excellent with a shepherd's pie. It's very good, very, very buttery. This is super crispy. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. We're going to mix in a half cup of butter. I'm going to use the potato masher this time. Come on, 4-in-1. That heat is pretty intense. Oh, the 4-in-1 doesn't work on this lid. Interesting.